Hello everyone! Today we're going to make cake in just 1 minute in microwave oven. Olivia, are you ready?
Yeah!
For vanilla flavor we need butter, baking powder, vanilla extract, milk, flour and sugar. So let's start, okay Olivia?
Okay.
So okay Olivia, what do we need first?
1 tablespoon butter vanilla.
Yes, Olivia, so we need first butter and little bit of vanilla. Now mix it. Olivia, now you need 1 tablespoon of sugar. Good job. What is next, Olivia?
2 tablespoon milk.
Alright, now we need 2 tablespoon milk.
Oh.
Next we need 3 tablespoon all-purpose flour. 1 spoon, 2 spoon, 3 spoon. The last ingredient is baking powder. That's all. Just mix, 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 mix. Okay, Olivia. So this is the finished look. Do you want to put it in the microwave oven?
Yes, yes.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Let me taste, and I'm gonna give it to you now. Okay.
All right. So it will go to the microwave oven for a minute. Good job, Olivia.
Thanks. I pressed it hard. Now we go.
All right, so it's ready. Let's see. Wow, it's too hot, Olivia. You cannot touch it. Now it's decoration time. All right, so do you want to put some sprinkle?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the finished look and full recipe will be the description below. Now let's see how it looks when you cut it.
It looks so pretty.
Unbelievable. It's just in 1 minute microwave oven cake. It's so easy and it looks delicious. Olivia, do you want to try it?
Yes.
Is it good? Good. Good. Oh, bye-bye to everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
You're hiding, Olivia.
No.
You have chocolate on your teeth.